What's up, everybody? Jonathan here, aka KleinGuy Jon. I hope everybody had a happy, good, and swell holiday season. Merry Christmas to you guys if I'm a little late. And I know some of you did get my Christmas greeting to all of you. Those who didn't, I'm going to say again, Merry Christmas. I hope you had a great holiday season. And a Happy New Year to everyone. And safe travels back, going back or come from wherever your destination was or will be. But anyways, we're here for an unpackaging or unboxing, but in this case, an unpackaging for, well, new tool of mine I just bought today, and other tools, but today, specifically, I like to do the unboxing of the Milwaukee M12 Soldering Iron. And we'll be right back after this. So, here we have the Milwaukee M12 Soldering Iron. A little something I've been meaning to have, to get for quite some time as well. Since those of you who've seen the previous video of me installing some LED light strips with the sticky bag, 3M sticky bags, in my Milwaukee pack house. Check it out in the previous videos. Although they're not complete yet, this will complete my little project on it. And I will show you even more in detail of the project soon after. But right now, let's open this, man. I'm dying to open this right now. Check out its features. For one, this is the Milwaukee M12 Soldering Iron, model number 2488-20. Now, this soldering iron, I'm already looking at it. It's already in its pivoted position. It says it's fast, smart, portable soldering. Has a ready-to-use and safe-to-store indicator light. It comes with an accessory, a flat-headed accessory. If you're those of you who do a lot more soldering than I do, you do microprocessors and working on computers, you have a flat accessory. The unit also starts heating up very quickly at 18 seconds and has a 3-stop pivoting head. The unit comes with a 5-year warranty. Fortunately, no battery is included. So if you are in the Milwaukee M12 lineup of tools, like I do have the M12 and M18, but in this case it's the M12, and you have the battery available, you just need the tool, here you go. You do have them available in kits, but it's a little, you're going to pay a little more for the kit. Let's see here. It says ready to use and safe to store indicator. Solid green indicates operating temperature is reached. Red indicates tool is off and still hot. Only store tool when light is off. This unit contains the 2488-20 M12 soldering iron, chisel tip, pointed tip, battery charger sold separately. You will also notice the warning package. Warning, tip is hot, avoid contact when operating. It comes with the instructions underneath the packaging, which we'll get to in a second. There's a little bit of this tape here that came with the packaging. Home you go. Damn, buddy, you just gotta get okay. The max temperature on this soldering iron is 750 degrees. Heat output is 90 watts. Heat up time is 18 seconds. Heat indicator, yes, it does come with one. Interchangeable tips, yes. Chisel and point. I'm not sure what the rest says after that. There's a little bit of a sticker issue here. LED work light comes with the LED work light, as indicated. The runtime. Runtime is 45 minutes. And also, the length is 10.7 inches, and the weight of the tool itself is 0.5 pounds. Right? So, if there's anything else I am missing here, it looks like that's all. So, let's get to opening. So, do is just cut along here, along the corner here. And you see it has these little sockets or pegs. Open it up. Just mind you, when you open it, this tip is very sharp. The pointed tip is very sharp. So if you just saw me start from this side, my apologies. Try to point it away. I got a little excited, but I was very careful. But try to open it one side first, then try to just basically peel it off like it's a banana. So, there it goes. It's pretty light. Here's the instructions. It's always good to have and keep. I keep my instructions on every tool. What I do is I keep a little cardboard box. I write down, depending on which tool it is, I write down Milwaukee, DeWalt, Klein Tools instructions. I put them there and it's organized. So in case I have to look at something, I miss something along the way, I can go back and read them. So, the tool and the chisel tip. Pretty cool. It's got a hole here. I'm guessing when you unscrew it, it has the element that connects to this. Here's the tool itself. Got a pretty good grip. The push button to pivot it's here, so you just gotta do it straight. You're working on it. It's a little I don't know. It feels good on the hand. It's got three. There you go. There's the third. That's the second one. Straight first. This is the second. So I guess when you're in cramped spaces on a car, maybe computer tower, and then you got the 90. That's pretty cool. Let's check it out. Diamond. Use it. So I got the battery. Slap it here. It's a 2.0 amp hour battery. The on and off buttons here. So we push up, it's on. Let's turn it on. Already, fuel gauge, and it's starting to heat up. Oh yeah, it's warming up now. 18-second heat up time. So you see, what's cool is got this LED light. That is cool. I didn't even notice that LED light either. That's cool. Let's see how bright this light is. Well, I could smell. Oh, see? It's pretty bright. It's not that... It's pretty cool. It's pretty bright. It gives off a good aroma. Steady green, I guess it's hot already. It's at full temperature. So as it's blinking, it's warming up. So, it's blinking. That means when it blinks, it warms up. With steady green, it's at max temperature. You can even smell it. As soon as it started heating up, I can smell it from where I'm standing right now, earlier, before I shut off the lights. It's heated up. Showing a little bit of discoloration. I don't know if you can... Right there. Because this whole tip was all silver. Now it's like a grayish silver top. This is a cool tool. I've been dying to get myself a soldering iron. But something like this, cordless, by Milwaukee, this would be fun for my project. So, see. Look, you can even pivot it while it's still in operation. That's pretty cool. Now, get hold of this. It feels great on my hand. It feels awesome. It also has a caution warning label here on the side, opposite of the pivot button. Caution, tip is hot, avoid contact. When I was saying avoid contact, hand-wise, your own flesh. Don't touch the tip. The light is continuously on. That's pretty cool. But what concerns me is, does it drain the battery faster? So, let's see me turn it off. Turn it back on. Full bars. I'll do it again for you guys to see. It's a little tough to turn it off. Full bars. It's at max temperature still. So now when we turn it off, let's see when we turn it off. It's at the red. Now this means it's off. The tip is cooling. Apparently, from what I've read back in the instructions in the back of the package, when it tells me. Now, supposedly this red indicator is saying it's cooling. It's on cooling mode. It's off cooling mode. Once the red indicator shuts off completely, it's completely cool. Okay, guys. So the solder is finally shut down. The cooling indicator is finally cut off. I haven't read the instructions while I was waiting for it to cool off, and it did allow me. The instructions allow you to use like a damp towel or rag to cool off the tip, but also don't leave it wet. Even though I recommend not to leave it wet due to experience in the past. It can rust over time. So the best option is just to take a wet, paper towel, cool it off, dry it off, and eventually it'll help with the cooling process faster. So now, since the tool is cool, we can switch it with the tool bit, the chisel bit. Here's the chisel tip. Sorry, bit. Looks like a regular flathead screwdriver, but I get this is for maybe much easier applications of adding solder. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew this. As you can see, this rigid form just unscrews here with the barrel to remove the barrel. So, and there's a little ring inside. You want to keep that because you're gonna need it to keep it in place. And you take off the tip. And there's a heating element. It's a bit warm, slightly warm, but this is the heating element. What you do, as you just saw me sliding it in and out, just place the tool inside the tip, take it out, replace it now with a chisel, put back the barrel and the ring together. Try not to use the ring, you'll need it. It helps stabilize the tip in place without it wobbling around. So that way you get a better experience of using the tool. So we just tighten it up, and you're ready to rock and roll. I gotta say though, this is a pretty cool tool. I mean, it takes about, from the instructions, it takes about 20 minutes to cool. But judging from my experience, I counted 8 minutes cooling time. But the instructions say allow the tool to cool for 20 minutes. Once 20 minutes hits, the red light will shut off, saying that the tool is completely cool. I sped the process faster using a wet, damp cloth, sort of go up and down the barrel, cool it off, waited for about 3 more minutes until the light came off, and was able to switch the tips safely. Those of you out there who are watching this video and you're thinking about doing some soldering work, please be very cautious, be very careful, be aware of your surroundings, have a clean workstation, and always wear gloves. Wear gloves, safety gear, safety glasses. You want to make sure your tool is clean, it's not damaged. Inspect the tool. If you're not comfortable with using the tool or doing whatever application of job you're using this tool for, call a professional. You can call a professional electrician who does have experience with soldering, or you can call a low voltage technician as well, or your nearby computer repair shops, and so on. With that, I want to say thank you for watching. Smash that like button if you like the video. Comment below, because I'd love to hear you guys comment and tell me what you think about this tool. If you have the tool, what are your experiences? Tell me, I want to know. I just did an unboxing. I want to know what you guys, those of you who think about this tool, what do you think about it? Do you feel comfortable using it? Does it satisfy the need of the work you're doing? Okay. So let me know. And subscribe to my channel. Share this video with friends, family, or your personal tradesman or contractor. With that, I would like to say thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, guys. Happy New Year. Have safe travels, wherever your destination may be for this New Year break. And I'll see you guys in 2019. Take care, guys. If you like that video, want to see more, why don't you hit that like button down below. Also, tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. You guys want to see more tool reviews, tool demonstrations, some job site tag-alongs? What are you waiting for? Subscribe! Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one.